Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. Today we are going to learn how to add a M repository. So M is the most important tools for getting, installing, deleting and managing RPM software packages from official Red Hat software repository, as well as other third-party repositories. To install any software in Linux, there is three options. So first is M command. Option number 2 is RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. Third is source code. Source code, we can download the tar files or zip file. After that, we have to compile that packages. So let's begin to let me add some repository in my servers. Let me log in my VM. Now I log in my system. So let me increase my font size. So today we are going to how to add repository for external repositories. As we see, three options is there for any software installation in the Linux. So we are trying to use today yum. Okay, so let me try. Now I'm getting errors. This some error is coming. My OS is 7.4. In this case, just to go in the yum directory, yum.repos.d. There inside all the repos is available. Simply I need to move all repos. /opt. Now this empty. So now we have to create one repo. So let me create one files. I have already downloaded that repository. So here I am enabling the 4 repository. I just copy. So this is the repo name, CentOS plus extras, updates and base repo. I just save these files. This is the locations. After that, once we save the file, we have to mclean. Clean all. Okay. When you run mclean, this is cleaning up everything. May you want to are in this cache. It is not required. Let me check the packages. So now see, earlier is not working, and when I put the repos, just simply I just download repo from Google. So just create a file and just put inside the container, and now see the all repo is checking. See the base repo, extras, base, and update. So let me see. Let me show you how to install any packages. So before installing, let me install of the packages. Let me check delete. Let me check if any packages is there or not in my system. So I am checking HTTPD. rpm-qa pipegrep-i and put your package name to check the package is installed or not. So let me install one package httpd yum install httpd then enter. Once you enter, it's trying to download. You see now it's downloading 2.4.6. See this. What are the packages it's trying to download? HTTPD is the main packages. Then APR is like dependency, and so APR utils, HTTP tools, and mailcat. So if you see here, I have just run yum install HTTP. Then it's showing the display like all those packages. Okay. Now here is showing install size of 10 MB. This all packages. They say like 2.7104 kVs. Okay, so this is total 10 MB. Here is asking like, is this okay? Then yeah, why? Then why? I just press Y and then it's like downloading the packages. Again is asking confirmations. So now see my packages is completed. So if you run any command, you have to just verify whether your command is successfully run or not. Okay, after one command or any command you run, or you want to validate whether this command is successfully run or not, echo $? You have to run. If the output is come 0, your command will be success. So now we have installed the Apache package. Let me check HTTPD. Now see the packages is already installed. want to remove. So instead of install, remove. Then again, like is uninstalling. Yes. So now see the package is removed. Again we have to check it, like whether the package is there or not. One package is remaining, right? Let me remove this one also. Hyphen tools. Check this package is also removed. So like this you can check whatever you want to install in your servers. So m is a good command, which is if you configure the repository, external repository, so you can able to download any packages. And rpm is a good command also to check your packages inside your servers. So here I am checking the list of packages is installed in my system. Here is the 19. Today we are try to install. Okay, so these two packages is not uninstalled. Today we just install, and these older packages. So if you want to check if your server is patch or any latest package installed, so you have to simply run rpm-qa-last and pipe head, so you will see the updated one. So a few more command is also there, and em list. The packages is there. So if you want to check in your system how many repos is there, so mlist is a command. You can check the repo name. Okay, so that is the command. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in next video.